everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Craftessa, and I'm Vanessa. For today's super duper easy DIY, I'm going to take these lunch storage tower containers from the Dollar Tree, along with 2 glass tea light candle holders, and we're going to make some pretty glam and elegant candle holder lanterns. So let's get crafting. So to remove the sticky labels that these plastic containers had, I'm just taking a little bit of cooking oil, rubbing it in, and then washing it with my hands with some dish soap. So now that I washed them and they're dry and I removed the sticky residue from the labels, I'm just unscrewing this stackable lunch tower because it's 3 pieces. Actually, it's actually 4, but I'm not using that small container inside. So the only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the gray cylinder part that's in the middle. I'm going to use some gold liquid leafing. So now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take the glass tea light holders and I'm just going to add some hot glue and glue them to the top of the containers. So now that I hot glued the glass tea light holders, I'm going to take some of this pearl wrap from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to wrap it around the middle part of the containers, the gold part that I just painted. And I'm just going to hot glue it around to add a little pop. Now the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add the decorative acrylic gem pieces from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to add 4 packs. I'm going to add a pack per cylinder or per container. I'm just filling them in and I'm going to add a tea light inside each of them so it could add some light to it. And that's all there is to it. I love how they turned out. Now I'm going to set them on my table, light the tea light, and enjoy.